Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a PSAT math question. This was question 17 from section 3, the No Calculator Math section, from the PSAT that was administered on Wednesday, November 2nd, 2016. Pause it. The video, I mean. Why not pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then when you're done you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good. Because we're getting in there. It reads, what is the positive solution of the equation quantity 2x plus 1 squared minus quantity x plus 13 equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 2? Ugh. Seems like it's algebra time. Now generally, I know that my strategy is going to be to combine like terms and set one side of this equation equal to 0. And then do some factoring and all that jazz. Well, let's start it up. No time like the pleasant. 2x plus 1 quantity squared. We must be inside a crunch bar because it's FOIL time. First, 4x squared. Outside, plus 2x. Inside, plus 2x. Last, plus 1. So this is going to be 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Cool. Minus quantity x plus 13. I'm going to leave that be for now. Equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. Alright, let's bring this right side of the equation on over to join the x party. Subtract 3x squared from both sides. So now we just have x squared. Add 2x to both sides. So now we have plus 6x. And subtract 2 from both sides. Instead of plus 1, we now have minus 1. And then we can turn this into minus x minus 13, taking care to distribute that negative. A little more like term combination, and we have x squared plus 5x minus 14. And now it's factoring time. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to equal negative 14 and add up to equal positive 5. Well, 14 doesn't really have a ton of factors. 7 and 2 come to mind. And if they're going to multiply to equal negative 14 but add up to be positive, then the 7 should be positive and the 2 should be negative. So I have x minus 2 times x plus 7. And again, the right side of the equation equals 0. So the solutions to the equation are when x equals 2 and when x equals negative 7. What do they want? The positive solution of the equation. So 2. I suppose it's worth noting that you can't put a negative sign in this section, so yeah, the answer's got to be 2. We had to FOIL it out, combine like terms, set one side equal to 0, but then it got down to a pretty basic 7th or 8th grade factoring question. Cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have a question about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.